To the YouTube mini Forex mini series. The intent here is to really just give you a few brief videos that are going to explain to you more about what the foreign exchange market is and how you can take advantage of it over time. So let's just think about it like this. What is Forex? A lot of people are searching, Googling, and maybe not finding the answer that they're looking for, maybe an answer that just doesn't resonate well enough with them. In short, Forex stands for the foreign exchange market. Okay. It's the largest financial market in the world. It's where currencies are traded around the clock 24/7. Okay. When you think about, the Forex market itself, you may wonder who participates in this vast market, right? Now, we have retail traders like you and me, regular people like us. And then we also have banks, central banks, market makers, which may consist of other different companies as well. There could be multinational corporations who will participate in the foreign exchange market, investment managers, hedge fund, commercial and investment banks all have a reason to get involved into the foreign exchange market. Okay. What's really exciting though is the foreign exchange market itself. It involves trading one currency for another currency. Okay. And there's constantly an exchange rate that's always moving when we look at the foreign exchange market itself. So you can even see here on this screen, you see how these numbers are jumping up and down. Those are the different actual rates that the price is moving within the different currency or currency pairs that exist here. Okay. What I want you to do is stay tuned to this channel, this series. We're going to go more in depth through each additional videos as we talk about trading locations. The actual market itself is global. There's hubs that are all over every major city worldwide, from Tokyo to London. So as we go through this series, we'll talk more about the details of what those timeframes look like. We'll discuss more what is an actual currency pair, what's the quote, what's the base, and we'll be able to go further into this. But from here, just subscribe, stay tuned to this channel, stay tuned to the Vagrant Trader Collective. And as you gain more interest in wanting to understand more about how to trade the Forex market, how to actually understand the techniques and technical aspect of what may be needed so that you can eventually become someone who's profitable in the Forex market, we'd love for you to tune in, tap in with us, vagranttradercollective.com, where we have access to our course material, our mentorship, as well as joining our community, where we can really spend time together one-on-one, if you so desire, to help you grow and eventually become someone who's going to be a profitable trader in the market. So thank you so much. Tune in, like, and subscribe, and just understand that you're just one trade away from changing your life.